Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of bakery style bread pudding cake. This pudding cake is so delicious and must try. There's no baking powder or baking soda to make this cake. Without further delay, let's get started. To make this cake, I have taken 14 breads. Use bread made of maida. Now I'm going to toast these breads. Heat a pan and toast these breads. Make sure to use the pan to toast these breads and not the bread toaster. The bread should retain its soft texture. If you toast in bread toaster means that will be crispy. Toast these breads until it turns very light golden brown color. Cook these breads in less than a minute on both the sides. This should be the color of the bread. Use good quality bread for this cake. Pudding cakes is one of my favorite cakes which I buy from bakery. The breads must be soft in texture like this. That's why I'm stressing to make the toast in the pan. Next, I'm going to powder these breads. Tear the breads using hands and take it in a mixer grinder. Grind the breads into a coarse powder. Coarsely powdered breadcrumbs are ready now. Breadcrumbs should be of 300 grams. You can increase or decrease the quantity of bread and make sure it is 300 grams. Now add in 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Mix it so that everything combines well. If you do not have desiccated coconut means dry roast fresh coconut without changing color, so it becomes homemade desiccated coconut. The breadcrumbs mix is ready now. Here I have taken 200 grams of sugar and 4 cardamoms. Grind it into a fine powder. Take 150 grams of unsalted soft butter. Beat it until it turns soft. You can use wire whisk instead of electric beater. Before adding powdered sugar, I'm adding in 1 egg. By doing so, the powdered sugar wouldn't splatter while beating the cake batter. This is just a small tip while baking cake. Add in the powdered sugar and the cardamom mix. The sugar powder didn't splatter much since it has some moisture content from the egg. Mix the batter with the spatula along the sides of the bowl. Totally we need 4 eggs for this cake. I have already added 1 egg. Add in the eggs one by one and continue beating. Make sure not to add all the eggs in one go. All the eggs are incorporated well into the cake batter. You would find the cake batter looks curdled, but that's fine. Now add in 1/4 cup of condensed milk. In goes 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat it slightly so that everything combines well. Now slowly fold in the breadcrumbs mix. Do not use electric beater at this point of time. One important thing is that powder the breadcrumbs coarsely. Actually, this cake is quite different from the regular cake. Add in 1/4 cup of milk. Well, the cake batter will be quite thick like this. I have powdered 10 cashew nuts coarsely. Add half the quantity into the cake batter, the remaining one I'll be using it for garnishing. Mix the cake batter gently so that everything combines well. Pudding cake batter is ready now. I have taken 7-inch cake tin and lined it with parchment paper. Grease the tin with oil or butter. You can bake this cake in 8-inch pan. Level the cake evenly with the spatula. Sprinkle some reserved cashew nut powder. I'm going to bake the cake in 2 little molds as well. That's why I have taken 7-inch cake tin. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Having said that, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. The pudding cakes are baked perfectly. Look at it friends, beautiful bakery style pudding cake is ready to be served now. The texture of the cake is dense and moist. The cake has aromatic cardamom flavor and just melts in your mouth. Do try this unique bread pudding cake and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.